So how long it's been that you took a bath? And I'm not talking about a bath which you take to clean your body. I'm talking about the bath which cleanses your mind.
Lost in view, but still your face and your gaze.
A forest bath.
Looking at the diamonds in your eyes, shining in the pale moonlight. We've come so far, looking up above into the sky. Everything just seems so fine. This is our time into the night. I feel alive at 59.
Our ancestors used to live in forest. It's been only 6,000 years ago that we formed a civilization. Before that, people used to live in forest. Unlike now, I don't think so at that time. People have anxiety, heart problems, depression. It's us who wants to live in a concrete jungle and thinking it as a luxury. You know what is the life expectancy rate in India? It's only 67 years. And if you compare it with other countries, which is like top 10 in the list, like Japan, it's 86 or 87 years. You know why? Well, the answer is Shinrin-yoku, aka forest bathing. Well, Japanese are using this technique, forest bathing, from 80s. They use it as a medicine. If you talk about benefits, there are so many benefits of it. It says it reduces your cortisol levels, which is your stress hormones. It helps you in your high blood pressure, and it also improves your immune system. But if I talk about myself, when I sat near the water in the middle of the forest, closed my eyes, and I felt
I feel alive. This is the time.
Well, when I came back from there, I felt like I left all my stress, all my tensions over there near the river. So I would like to suggest you guys also that take a moment, step into the forest and let the nature heal you.